Hello students, welcome to the class of Environmental Science. Today in the chapter Human Beings and Nature, we will discuss about the topic Earth First. Let's start with the discussion of Earth First. Earth First, it is a radical environmental group focused on the protection of wilderness and wildlife. Let's talk about the history of Earth First. This group was founded in 1980 and the founders were Dave Foreman, Mike Russell, Howie Wolk, Bart Kohler, and Ron Kazar. Origin: this advocacy group emerged in the southwestern United States and its focus was totally on environmental protection. Location: this group is active in over 19 countries including Australia, Belgium, Canada, USA, etc. Method: its method is direct action against destruction of environment. Earth First. Earth First basically is not an organization but a movement in itself. Its members believe in using every tool from toolbox to grassroots democracy by legally organizing the civil disobedience and money wrenching. They believe that when the law won't fix anything, we put our bodies on line to stop destruction. With the slogan, "No compromise in defense of Mother Earth," Foreman and his comrades promoted the idea that every life form and indeed every ecosystem has its intrinsic value and right to live and flourish regardless of human need. Talking about the philosophy of Earth First. Earth First members found a unifying philosophy in deep ecology, which contends that all species of plants and animals have an inherent right to exist and that wilderness should be protected irrespective of its usefulness to humans. Human actions has triggered a vast cascade of environmental problems like depletion of resources, destruction of ecosystem, habitat destruction, extinction of wildlife that now threaten the continued ability of both natural and human systems to flourish. That is why activists became associated with actions to prevent any development that will eventually cause damage to environment like logging, construction of dams, etc. The group has actively participated in protecting the earth from environmental damage. Earth First activists undertake ecological studies, debate environmental principles, sue corporations and agencies, and work to educate the public about threats to biological diversity and other environmental problems. It shuns the corporate organizational structure of mainstream environmental groups. Earth First consists of autonomous but cooperating elements through which people share information and coordinate action on various campaigns and projects. Earth First's achievements are matters of debate, though their direct actions have certainly raised business costs for developers, loggers, miners, and ranchers. But its banner has enabled previously detached environmentalists to find comrades and like-minded supporters. Its philosophical orientation has motivated many to become more radical in their commitment to environmental protection, and its mere existence has allowed more mainstream groups to appear more reasonable to legislators. Thank you.